Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you 3 great and tasty appetizers that are great for Super Bowl party. I got nachos, I got stuffed jalapeno poppers with bacon, and I have a buffalo chicken dip. I'm also sharing my delicious crispy chicken wings without frying them. So let's get started. So the first appetizer I'm working on is fairly simple. It is nachos, and I'm just going to add a little bit of oil just so the stuff doesn't stick. And then I'm using the Pasa tortilla chips. They are made from, I think these should be corn. Made from volcanic stone ground corn. Whatever that means. I'm going to add some sliced black olives. And then I'm going to add some sliced up green onion. And some chopped green chilies. Using the PC brand extra chunky salsa. I usually like to use my own, but I have ran out, and I do have fairly a lot, and then I'll do the other one with not so much because I like mine to be soggy. Some other family members don't. And now I'm going to just spread this out a little bit. Add some cheddar cheese. And that's it. And then it goes in the oven until the cheese is melted. So the nachos are done, and I have some sour cream and extra salsa for anybody that wants it. So for the next one, I'm making jalapeno stuffed poppers with bacon. So I need jalapenos. I'm gonna need about half a container of cream cheese, 1 cup of cheddar cheese, half a teaspoon of each salt, pepper, and onion powder, and then equal amount of bacon slices to jalapeno peppers, and some sort of a baking sheet. So the first thing that I'm going to do is get my jalapenos cleaned up. I'm gonna add about half a container of cream cheese, some seasonings and cheese, and mix it up. Now I'm going to fill these. I'm going to wrap it in the bacon. Now it goes in an oven for about 25 minutes at 400. These were maybe a little too filled, but nevertheless they still have tons of filling. They just came out a little messy. So for the next one, I am using cream cheese, the rest of it, so 8 ounces, half a cup of cheddar, half a cup of Frank's Red Hot, and half a cup of ranch, and this chicken breast that I have baked in the oven. I am going to cut it up, and then I'm going to mix all the ingredients together and put it in this dish that I'm gonna grease before, and then I am going to bake it for about, well, until it's heated through. Same dish that I used for the jalapeno stuffing dip, because the ingredients is almost the same except the chicken. And I'm using a stone dish. I'm gonna cover it, and into the oven it goes. Buffalo dip. The buffalo dip is done as well, and I'm going to serve it with some blue corn chips. So I have all the wings ready. There is 10 pounds here. I cut off the tips and split them in half. And I've prepared my cornstarch, and then my seasonings. So there's salt, pepper, paprika, chili flakes, red pepper, chili flakes, and garlic. You can do any kind of, aside from salt and pepper, you can do any type of seasoning you want. And for, just to give you an idea, in 10 pounds there's 150 split wings, and for 12 you need 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper, and then the spices should be equal amounts. So I did equal amounts of paprika and garlic powder, but I only did half the amount of red chili flakes because I didn't want it to be too spicy. And then you toss everything together with the wings, and you bake them at 350 until they're crispy on the outside. So here they are. You can eat them plain as is, or you can toss them in your favorite barbecue sauce. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you lots of ideas for your Super Bowl party, and until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.